Everyone, welcome to Intellify. My name is Niharika Jadhav. Today we will discuss the solution of NCERT. Today we will solve the question number 9 of exercise 12.2 in mathematics. So question is, a field in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 40 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So this figure, this is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. The non-parallel side is 13 meter and 14 meter, and parallel side is 10 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So first draw a line segment BE parallel to the line AD. So this is AD and we draw a line parallel this. So this is BE. Now then from B draw a perpendicular on a line segment CD. And this is a line perpendicular drawn on CD, that is BF. Now it can be seen that the quadrilateral ABED. So here the quadrilateral formed, so that is ABED is a in a parallelogram. So it is a parallelogram. Now AB is equal to AD. Now AB is equal to ED, that is 10 centimeter, and AD is equal to BE, and AD is equal to VE, that is 13 meter. Now EC is equal to EC is equal to 25 minus ED, here ED. So that is 25 minus 10. So we get it. It is a 15 meter, that is 15 meter. EC here 15 meter. Now consider the triangle BEC. So this is the triangle BEC. So it's semi. So we have to find is firstly semi parameter. So what is the semi parameter? So that is the sum of all sides upon 2. So we know the sides of a triangle. So we put the values 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. So that is 21 meter. So we find it as, this is S. By using Heron's formula, we find the area of a triangle BEC. So here BEC. So what is the Heron's formula? That is under root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we put the values here. Here ABC is the sides of a triangle and S is a semi parameter. So we put the values. Now under root 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15 meter square. So that is under root 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. By solving it we get it 84 meter square. So we find the area of a triangle. So BEC is a 84 meter square. We know that the area of BEC is equal to half into CE into BF. So 84 centimeter square is equal to half into 15 into BF. So that is BF is equal to 168 upon 15. So that is 11.2 centimeter. So we find the BF, that this is BF. So that is 11.2 centi. This is 11.2 meter. Sorry, this is meter. So 11.2 meter. So the total area of ABED will be BF into DE, because it's the parallelogram. So parallelogram into, so this side into this side. So we did it 11.2 into 10. So that is 112 meter square. Now area of field is equal to area of triangle plus area of a parallelogram, this. So B sum of these area. So that is 84 plus 112 meter. So that is 196 meter. So the total area of trapezium is 196 meter square. Thank you everyone.